Right now, this is what the weather looks like here in New York. This is Long Island, New York, so we're south of New York. A little east. There we go. That's my wife's fit. She has a black, I have a black Wrangler. She has a white Wrangler. She took the white Wrangler in today. But this is my Wrangler right here. It's covered in snow. I'm gonna knock that off. You got this going on over here. It's the backyard. Walking through here. Yeah, this is my backyard here. That is my barbecue. My fire pit is practically covered. A little table that I usually smoke at, that's almost covered. There's the drifts, as you can see, coming up the window of my house. There's a little snow drift coming off the side there. But look how high the drifts are, almost up to the handles, the doors. Yeah. My wife and I work at a hospital, so I might even have to go into work today because it's been declared a state of emergency for New York State, so I may have to go in. She's already there. Hopefully they'll let her go home if the other people can get home or get to work. I think her replacement's already there. You know, the Jeeps, these things are phenomenal in the snow, even in deep snow like this. You know, yeah, you can see this is my garage. This is how deep it is in the garage, coming up to the door. So I'm shoveling some of this back. Just want to get a head start on it, you know. It's supposed to snow until sometime tomorrow. Smoking a pipe while I'm doing it. What I got here? Little Drew Estates. What is this? Heirloom cherry. That's pretty good, actually. Not a cherry tobacco like CAO Cherry Bomb, so to speak. And I'm smoking it in my American Patriot Missouri Meerschaum. Repipe. Yes, the leaves all blue inside. So I'm gonna get a head start on the snow and the shoveling. Defrost the car a little bit. Get to work. All right. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hasta la vista. Stay warm, everybody.